Today we will be changing the battery on a GMC Envoy. We will also be answering the questions: what is the difference between cranking power and reserve capacity? What is a parasitic draw? And what is the difference between wet battery and a dry battery? For this service you will need the following: 1 battery, 10mm socket wrench with extension, and 8mm wrench. First, start by popping the hood. If present, remove the battery crossbar by unscrewing the two 10mm bolts. Next, unscrew the negative battery terminal first with an 8mm wrench or socket. You remove the negative cable first, as this is a ground cable. After the negative terminal is disconnected, remove the positive terminal. Next, use a 10mm socket with extension and remove the nut from the bottom of the battery tray. Remove the battery from the tray. Remove the caps off the terminals of the new battery. Take the anti-corrosive felt washers off the old terminals and place them on the new terminals. CCA means cold cranking amps and RC means reserve capacity. Clean out the battery tray before installing the new battery. Place the new battery into the tray. You will need to angle the bottom of the battery in order to tow under the bolt in the battery tray. Use the 10mm socket with extension and tighten the nut onto the bolt of the battery tray. Place the battery cover over the battery. the anti-corrosive felt washers off the old terminals and place them on the new terminals. Connect the terminals in reverse order of when you remove the battery. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative with the 8mm wrench. Make sure the anti-corrosive felt washers are on the terminals. Reinstall the crossbar over the battery cover with two 10mm bolts. What is the difference between cranking power and reserve capacity? Higher reserve capacity means the battery can retain enough power to start while sitting for long lengths of time. The vehicle will be sitting for long lengths of time as it will be rarely used, so we opted for higher reserve capacity as opposed to higher cold cranking amps. What is parasitic draw? Parasitic draw is when electricity is pulled from the battery, even when the car is not running. This can be due to one of many electrical components in a car or component that is malfunctioning. And what is the difference between a wet battery and a dry battery? A wet cell battery is the original type of rechargeable battery. It is commonly found in aviation, electric utilities, energy storage, and cell phone towers. The battery contains a liquid electrolyte, such as sulfuric acid, a dangerous corrosive liquid. A dry cell battery does not contain liquid. The dry cell car battery has casted plates with stronger resistance to braking, though it may provide less cranking power than a wet cell. The wet cell car battery, on the other hand, provides a large power supply and reserve capacity, making it an ideal choice for heavy-duty vehicles.
Say, more on reviews.
Saved a lot of money.
I actually did not save any money on that repair.
So we can
Because
say that.
You can go to AutoZone and they'll do it for you. Oh, say that.
If you purchase your battery from AutoZone, they will install it for free.
Which make rendering this tutorial useless.
The parts and prices are listed below.
Yeah, it didn't save much.
I like.
After all the, it's a long ass video too.